Day 4. Prasarita Padottanasana C. So this is one that we do.
I like this one, yeah, in Ashtanga.
Yeah, so we do this in the Ashtanga primary series. It's part of the standing sequence. We're doing a wide-legged forward fold with the hands clasped behind the back and reaching the heels of the hands together if possible, squeezing the whole shoulder blades, this whole area right here, squeezing together. So, as Kayla is showing us, she has the feet super, super wide. The feet are parallel to each other, so the feet are not sticking out like this, but she has the toes in a little bit.
Heels out a little bit.
Exactly. She's clasping the hands together. We're gonna take a big inhale. And then exhale, we're gonna reach the arms overhead. And breathing here. Deep, long breaths. Let's hold it for one more. Take a big inhale, press into the feet as you come up. And at the top, we're gonna reach down, exhale. Ooh, how good.
Yeah.
Okay, we're really opening up this upper part of the back, upper part of the chest, and then all the way up toward the third eye. So, last one, Nadi Shodhana, or alternate nostril breathing.